Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Let's make something super quick, super easy, and super crafty. Y'all stay tuned. And here it is. Isn't this just adorable? It is an adorable little desk frame. I think it's perfect for a baby's first Christmas or a couple's first Christmas. I think it's a great way to commemorate those moments. And then when we flip it over on the back, how cute is that? I stuck a three-dimensional wreath on the back and then popped it up with one of the little red bows that I got from the Dollar Tree. And you know what else? This is Dollar Tree crafting at its finest, but this can be incorporated into any store, and I'm going to show you why. So what we have here is this, and it's so easy because it starts out as this, a simple set of Dollar Tree Christmas cards. Get 12 in the pack. You can make 12 of these. Package them up really cute and sell them at your craft fair, or give one to every family member at that Christmas get-together. Use some Thanksgiving cards and make some and give some out at Thanksgiving dinner. Perfect. And when finished, this measures 4 1/4 by 6 1/8. So now what we're going to do is we are going to make this. So to make this, I am going to start with one 5 by 7 card from the pack. And I am going to need a piece of paper that measures 8 7/8 by 6 for the liner. I have 2 pieces that measure 6 by 6 that I'll be covering chipboard. I have a strip that measures 2 by 6, which is my spine. I have 2 pieces that measure 3 by 4 1/4. And that's just regular white cardstock. And then I have 2 pieces of chipboard that measure 4 3/4 by 3 1/2. And then I have 2 pieces of chipboard that measure 6 by 4 1/4. Okay guys, so we're going to take our card, lay it out flat, and we're going to score this at 3/8 of an inch on all 4 sides. And then we're going to take this and fold and burnish our score lines. Okay, so now that we've got it like this, we are going to come back with our 6 by 4 1/4 inch pieces. And basically what we're going to do is take the end pieces and place them so that we butt against here and we're within our score marks here. So I'm going to take this, and basically I'm eyeballing it. And then I'm going to lay it down. And I'll come over to the other side. I'm going to take my other piece and do the same thing. So I'm just going to eyeball this. Hopefully I'm not too far off. I think I can move it down just a little bit. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to come back with my little strip here, and I am going to place that right in the middle. And I am going to do that using glue. So let me put some glue on the back of here. And all I'm going to do is take this, get it positioned in between my 2 covers, and I want to make sure that I've basically got equal spacing over here and over here. And I think that that's pretty good. And then I'll come back with my bone folder and get it stuck down. Then I am going to come back with my scissors and simply miter cut my ends. And I'll come back, and I'm just going to come back real quick and just kind of get my paper started folding here. And then once we've got our paper trained just a little bit, we're going to come back with our glue and we'll get it stuck down. So let me just stand this up. I'm going to kind of press it this way because I'm working with a thicker piece. Our greeting card is a little bit thicker than a piece of cardstock. So just like that, we'll get it stuck down. We'll do this on all 4 sides. Okay guys, so I've got my paper folded over and this is how it looks, and isn't it cute? So now we're going to take our liner piece, which measures 8 7/8 by 6. I have already placed tape on here, so all I need to do at this point is to go around my edges with glue. So now that I have my paper glued, we're going to go ahead and stick it down. So I am just going to place this so that it's even. I'm going to bring it closer to the bottom so I can kind of hide my little pre-printed words there. Then I'll come back with my paper towel and we're just going to get that glue worked in. And then I'll come back and I'm really just going to smear that glue out underneath. And now I can come back with my bone folder and I can just work my spine just like that. So now we're going to do our inside pieces. Now I'm putting chipboard in mine because I want mine elevated just a little bit, but you don't have to. So the way I'm doing this, I am going to take a piece of chipboard that measures 4 3/4 by 3 1/2, and I will have 2 of these, and I'm just going to smear glue on here. Then I'm going to take that and just smear it out there just so that there will be no streaking of the glue. And then I'll come back and I'm going to fold my paper all the way around, and then I'll come back with my scissors and I'm just going to miter cut. And your miters don't have to be exact on this because all of this is going to be folded under, so it will not be seen. And I'm going to trim off a little bit of this because I don't want to fold over too much. Okay, then I'll come back with my glue. And I'm going to place glue all the way around. And I will get this nice and stuck. And then once we've got it covered, I am going to take my 3 by 4 1/4 inch piece, place some glue on it, and we're going to get this stuck down. So I'm going to take this, place it on here, and try to center it. Okay guys, so we have got both of our boards done, and we are simply going to place those down with some glue. So I'll go around the edges and then I'll come back in the middle and we're going to get this stuck down. And you can place yours however you want. I'm just going to place mine right in the center because I think that's cute. Gotta make sure it's straight. And then I'll take this one and I'm going to do the same thing. And I'll bring it in, kind of match it up with that one. I'm going to bring this up to my face just a little bit so that I can take a look at it to make sure it's straight. And when I think it is, or I'm pleased with how it looks, I'll come back with my bone folder and I am going to get both of these stuck down. And then what I decided to go with is this cute little Santa on the train, and it's one of the tags that I got from A.C.Moore. So all I'm going to do is I want the tag to be right here at the bottom because I don't want to interfere with actually being able to place a picture down. So I am going to take this tag put it on here just like that. And when a picture is tucked in, it'll actually tuck in behind that train. And hopefully you guys can see that it'll sit right behind that. So I'm going to get this stuck. Then I am going to bring in my flat back pearls. I am going to choose some pearl colors, and I think I'm going to go with this cute little brown. And I'll come in, and this is just some simple decorating. You could actually get more elaborate with these than I'm doing, but I am just going for the simple on these. And I am going to take my little brown flat backs, place them in the corner here. Then I'm just going to press it down so that they'll dry. And I'm going to let you guys look at that for a minute. And then on the back of this one, I have these cute little bells. And I am just going to take my bells, put some glue on them. I'm almost out of glue. Gonna have to put some more in the bottle. And then I'll take my bells, place them right there. Give that a chance to dry. And now we've got a fun and festive little book. That is some easy Christmas card crafting, if ever there was some. And this is how you craft. This is how you take something that is meant for something else and turn it into something that is absolutely useful, adorable, giftable, and sellable. So we're going to open this up so you can see just how cute that is. I'm going to bring the other one back in so you can see how cute they both are. I think that they are just so stinking adorable. Look at them. They are just so cute. And that, my friends, these are our Christmas card crafts. And I have another Christmas card craft that we will do tomorrow. But today, this is what we have. Make up a whole bunch of these because you get 12 in a pack. Go to any store that's selling Christmas cards. You can get them at the Dollar Tree. You can get them at Tuesday Morning. You can get them at Walmart, Target, any store in your area, any store in your country where they're selling Christmas cards. You can get them and make something as simple and as beautiful as this. So guys, again, simple elegance. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this project. And if you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys have a fantastic day and happy crafting.